Okay, customer service. So I need to talk a bit on this customer service first. First of all, you need to handle and update your customer, especially you're doing dropshipping. Of course, you're not going to tell your customer you're doing dropshipping, but ensure that you actually handle the customer service. So if you're actually shipping some products from Target or Walmart, make sure that you do a gift wrapping. So you do not want the customer to know that actually you're shipping from a retail outlet to them. Of course, customer service first. Always update your customer if there's a delay, or if you have already updated the tracking number or this. Make sure that the customer is aware. Even though the customer don't reply you, at least you have a proof that you actually update them. So you can add value services. Like mentioned that value added services are pretty vague. A lot of people will mention to you a value add service. For example, you actually give a extra discount like 5% if they will purchase a second item, or value services like you actually do gift wrapping. So all these are considered value added services. Some of them you could do it without any cost. Some of them will cost you some small amount of money. So it depends on the business model or product that you pick. Okay, I'll come to the class summary. In this class, you have learned how to do proper drop shipping, and where to source for products or supplier using the UPC ItemDB. And as a class project, I would like you to try this out, hands-on this. Find one product that you can resell for profits on eBay or on your own e-commerce store using dropshipping models, and you have to test this out. So personally, I've tested out some of the products I found, and they sold within a few days. So that is just to tell you how powerful it is for dropshipping model to work. So with this, I come to the end of this class. Please leave me a review, and if you'd like to see more of such classes, give me a thumbs up, and thank you for joining me.